A real quick run from Dallas to Austin. One pallet. Look how small it is. It's waiting to unload. That one pallet. The Austin downtown is looking unreal. I think that building right there is the tallest in the south, even taller than Atlanta. We have a 3-hour and 20-minute drive, 216 miles for $275, minus about 40 bucks in gas, leaves us 235 divided by 2 because I split 50-50 with my partner. That's about $117 for me for a 3-hour run. Thanks, guys. Leave a comment, ask me any questions, and I'll catch you on the next one. Like the video, of course. Peace out.